Dawn breaks over Shanghai, 2125. The skyline glows with living towers, structures that breathe, shimmer, and sustain themselves. The city hums to life. Flying vehicles glide silently, robotic cleaners perfect the streets, and humans and androids move in harmony. In parks, elders practice Tai Chi with android companions. Nanobots repair infrastructure before problems grow. Children learn from AI tutors, their hands passing through holographic globes, while robotic arms tend vertical farms. This is not a distant dream, but daily life. AI and robotics woven into society as partners, not replacements. Freed from mundane labor, people pursue creativity, growth, and connection. The city adapts to its citizens, powered by clean energy and a century of innovation. With needs met and safety assured, people become artists, scientists, and community builders. This is the golden age. Technology serving humanity, elevating life to new heights. Li Mei wakes to a gentle sunrise simulated by her smart windows, air optimized for energy and comfort. Her mattress completes a health scan. The AI displays, "Good morning, Mei. All vital signs optimal." Breakfast is prepared by a robotic arm, fresh, tailored, and nutritious. Her AI assistant reviews her schedule, reminds her of a Paris art session, and suggests a walk to see blooming lunar orchids. As she leaves, her home handles security and energy saving automatically. The building is alive, air purified, gardens thriving, technology invisible but ever present. Li Mei steps into an atrium filled with waterfalls and greenery, her mind free from daily worries. This is modern design innovation creating effortless natural experiences. Each day begins with possibility, supported by intelligent care. Li Mei boards an autonomous pod, no tickets, no schedules. The city's transport anticipates her needs. The pod glides through a city where drones maintain infrastructure, and green spaces flourish atop rooftops. Energy comes from solar glass roads and kinetic walkways. Waste is recycled by automated systems. The city is clean, green, and self-sustaining, a living organism healing itself in the environment. A bridge stress alert flashes, drones repair it instantly, turning risk to safety in minutes. Infrastructure is proactive, delays and decay relics of the past. Her commute is peaceful, more reflection than travel. Arriving at the Institute of Creative Arts, she steps into vibrant city life. Public art, conversation, and nature everywhere. Technology is invisible, enabling lives of purpose and joy. The city's pulse is harmony, intelligent, steady, and human-centered. At the Institute, Li Mei collaborates with her team and AI to create interactive art that responds to the city's emotions. Work is redefined. Machines handle the repetitive, freeing humans for creativity and problem-solving. AI partners amplify human talent, from engineering to medicine to education. Robots are tools, not rivals, making work safer and more meaningful. In public spaces, caring robots assist the elderly. In hospitals, they perform precise surgeries while humans provide comfort. Real-time translation erases language barriers, fostering global collaboration. Automated farms and environmental restoration ensure abundance and sustainability. Technology meets everyone's needs, empowering humanity to reach higher. Evening in the Sky Park. Families gather, couples watch city lights, and technology quietly maintains the perfect environment. The reward of AI, more time for each other, for creativity, for peace. Li Mei cooks dinner with AI-guided recipes, connecting with her distant parents via holographic call. Technology bridges distances, strengthening family bonds. In her studio, AI expands her creative possibilities, suggesting materials and simulating designs. This is a vibrant human world, technology as a supportive partner, not a cold overseer. As Li Mei gazes at the glowing city, she sees a future built on hope, not perfection. Technology unlocks human potential, creating a world of connection, health, and possibility. In 2125, intelligence powers a future filled with heart, people living better together in a world they've healed.